So I said a while ago that on one of my other videos that I got an action camera so would be able to see the suspension of my car and find out what's going on with it. It makes a thump every time I'm backing up, turning to the right. So what I did was I mounted the weatherproof case for the camera underneath the car. I put it in, I turned it on. We are currently playing, and I have it in slow-mo mode. So it runs at 120 hertz, I believe it is, or frames per second, or whatever you want to call it. So I put in the camera, connected it to the Wi-Fi to my tablet. So I'm sitting in the front seat of my car. You saw the car shake a little bit. It's actually running. There doesn't seem to be any audio when it's running this. And then, so here we go. So this is my entire drive into work in slow motion. There's not really a whole lot to see or to say, but we can watch this. I'm probably going to add a little bit of music because, frankly, it's a bit of a dull watch. Well, I hope that didn't come in on the video. I just moved the mouse to see the timestamp to make sure I am actually playing because it looks like absolutely nothing is happening. But obviously it is. Here we're backing up. The back tires just went down. This is so exciting. And we're turning the wheel, and we're turning. We're turning a little more. And turning a little more. Right there is where it makes the noise. I do see the control arm go forward and back a little, I think. I've watched it several times. I don't know. It doesn't seem like enough to. It just doesn't sound right for it. But maybe. And it was a bright sunny day, and I stopped looking at the controller as we went, the tablet. I have actually raised my suspension since doing this. It's weird. These cars, they fall. So every year you just got to get underneath there and tighten up the torsion bar a little bit on the one side. And it drops like an inch in 1 year, maybe. Which is, what is an inch? 2.5 centimeters for us peoples. I have done a disc brake conversion on this car. These cars didn't normally come with that. And it is really nice. It does stop straight. Parts are a lot easier to find. It also stops really fast. I've surprised a few people. Uh, I didn't get into an accident, which is really nice. It does stop fast. Uh, I think this was shortly after I installed new ball joints. That's why they're kind of dirty and greasy. Or clean and oily? finding ball joints for this thing was awkward. Oh, there's an intersection. Also, I have trouble finding shocks for this. They're actually really small shocks. They're smaller than like S10 drop shocks. But thankfully I don't actually need them. They actually work. They're only 60 years old and still works. Bump, bump, bump. I've been daily driving this thing for 2 years now. I've replaced most of the rubber bushings, the ball joints, because trying to get this noise to go away. But it hasn't gotten any worse. Well, since we're just sitting here anyways. So the car has a 440 in it from a Smogger era. It's not the motor that it came with. And it's not actually the motor that I want, but the motor that I want, it's a 383, but ended up getting water in it. And so it seized, unfortunately. Now I could rebuild it, but haven't yet. The car itself is getting like about 10 miles a gallon. I only drive it in town because, well, the radiator is original still. But it's a Smogger motor, so I can use really low compression gas, or really low octane gas, because it's really low compression, so it doesn't care. So gas prices aren't too, like, they're fairly high, I guess, but I'm also so close to work that even though I'm getting very poor mileage, I can go 3 to 4 weeks between fill-ups. Oh, that's bright. Now, with this camera, there's no image stabilization when you go to the slow motion. So all this view is pretty steady considering there's no slow-mo. But then again, the car suspension is really soft. I think we're just waiting at a red light right now. I believe we actually end up in the shade at the end. Oh, we're only halfway through this? Oh, this feels like it's so long. It's only like a 6-7 minute drive, maybe 12-minute drive, depending on traffic. But we are watching it in slow motion, so everything just takes a little bit longer. Now, I did rebuild the carburetor, but I used a Walmart rebuild kit, and I had to do some modification to it just to make it work because it came bent and not correct. So I had to file, had to cut, had to bend, had to use some old parts actually because some of them just didn't work. The needle and seat that they supplied just did not work, not even close. Even though it was for the correct Edelbrock. But it's the cheapest thing you can find, and it does work. But I'm having an issue where lean and rich, it's like I need either different metering rods, or my pump shot's bad, or the gaskets are bad. I've had to go through and kind of torque them down a few times. I don't want to torque them too much and actually blow out the gaskets. Yay, we're moving again. Recording this audio at midnight and watching this thing makes you very, very tired. And I can hear the dog in the background running outside. I think we're getting there. I think that's the last turn to the left. No, to the right. Boy, I hope so. Next one should be a turn to the left. Oh, is this us going to the driveway? My imagination, or are we slowing down? Please let this drive be over soon. There we go. And we're done. That should be work. Sort of. I gotta just reposition a little. Oh no, I'm rocking it back and forth. That's what I was doing. I'm putting it in drive and reverse. You can see the arm moving forward and backwards. I think that's what's making the noise. But I did replace those bushings with brand new rubbers, and they're still making the noise. Okay, and that's it. Well, it's not it, but why am I still moving? That might just be my parking brake doesn't actually hold the car very well. It's got one of the drums, and it holds it fine going forward, but not in reverse. Okay, I'm gonna say that's done. If you made it all this way, why? But congratulations. Why? Anyway, go out, have fun, fix a car, fix a truck, fix a thing, work on something, break something, learn something. Have a nice day, night, evening. Bye.